video tutorial, we will make 3 delicious and very easy recipe for brownies, for which you only need 2 to 3 ingredients to make a delicious brownie, and we will give you 3 options. For the first version of brownie recipe, we will need ingredients: a cup of Nutella and 4 eggs.
Step 1. The first thing to do is put the Nutella in a cup and then take it to the microwave for 20 seconds to make it more fluid. Just be careful not to burn and put it for 3 periods of 20 seconds. 2. The next step is to put eggs in a bowl. After that, beat them with an electric mixer until you tilt its sides, and this will take about 15 minutes and high speed. And so it should be as it should be super fluffy, and what we have to do now is to gradually add the Nutella in a very fine thickly while we keep beating until everything is integrated. Step 2.
Step 3. And now let's put our mixture in a rectangular mold with the bottom covered with baking paper.
For the second version of the brownie recipe, we will need ingredients: a chocolate flavored cake mix box and 1 liter of chocolate ice cream of your preference.
Step 2. Since our ice cream is melted, we are going to put it in a bowl and we will also add the mixture for chocolate flavored cake, and with the electric mixer we will beat very well until everything is integrated.
Step 3. Now we're going to put our mixture in a rectangular baking pan with the bottom covered in baking paper. Spread out well and take into preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 20 to 30 minutes. This is already done, and we will let it cool for about 5 minutes inside the same mold, and then we will dismantle it and cut it into square pieces.
For the third version, in this case, Nutella filled cookies, we will need ingredients: Nutella, 615 grams, wheat flour, 2 cups, and 3 eggs.
Step 1. The first thing we will do is putting the Nutella in a bowl, and then we will take few seconds to the microwave to make it more fluid for 20 seconds and put in for 3 periods of 20 seconds.
Step 2. Since the Nutella is less dense, we are going to add the flour and the eggs. And with a spoon, we are going to mix everything until it is delivered very well. And in the end, we finish kneading with your hands.
Step 3. Now ready the dough. Now what we have to do is for balls with dough to make it easier. To help us with a spoon of ice cream until they are the same size. But it is not necessary, and you can also do it with your hands. Although this is optional, we will fill it with Nutella to make it more delicious.
Step 4. We have a baking tray nearby covered with baking paper, and we form balls and put it in the palm of our hand. Extend a bit, add a little Nutella in between and close well, and we return to form a ball and put it in the tray. And So well will do it the whole mass.
Step 5. And now we're going to take our cookies to the refrigerator for 30 minutes before baking. In the meantime, we will heat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius.
Step 6. We took out the refrigerator and are now ready to bake. And we put them in the oven approximately 10 to 15 minutes.
Step 7. We take them out and let them cool for 5 minutes on the same tray, room temperature.
And list our 3 brownies recipes with only 2 to 3 ingredients. We hope you like. Thanks.
A las 5 de la tarde. La pobreza está